In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude Code directly to your phone using Telegram. No fluff, just straight to the point commands. We'll set up a custom bot, securely link it to your local codebase, and fix those annoying permission pop-ups so you get instant, seamless replies. Let's dive in. First, check if you have Claude and Bun installed by typing Claude --version and Bun --version. If you haven't got Bun installed, type npm install -g bun. The Telegram plugin needs this to run properly in the background. Next, jump into Telegram and message the official BotFather. Type /new bot to create your custom bot, give it a name, and pick a username that ends in bot. BotFather will hand you a unique HTTP API token. Now back in your terminal, launch Claude Code. Type /plugin install Telegram at Claude Plugins Official and approve the installation. Once that's done, run reload plugins to make sure it's active. Finally, type /telegram configure. Now go back into Telegram and copy that API token, paste it straight back into Claude, and hit enter to link your new bot. Once you paste your token, Claude will ask for permission to set up its secure config files. Hit yes to let it create the directories, save your token to a hidden.env file, and lock down the file permissions. Now let's start the listener. Boot up Claude using this exact command: Claude --channels plugins Telegram at Claude Plugins Official. Head over to Telegram and click on your bot's link. Then click on start and send a quick message like hello. Because your bot is in pairing mode, it will instantly reply with a secure pairing command. Copy that command, paste it directly into your VS Code terminal, and then hit enter. Claude will ask for permission one last time to update your access.json file and whitelist your specific Telegram ID. Hit yes to both, and boom, your phone is now securely paired to your local codebase. But before we start messaging it, we first need to secure our bot so strangers can't use it. In your terminal, type /telegram access policy allow list. Next, let's go into Telegram and send a message like hello there. You'll notice a super annoying permission prompt pops up back in your terminal. You have to manually click allow before Claude is even allowed to reply to you. Clicking that every single time would drive you crazy, so here's the quick fix. Go back into your Claude terminal and type, I want you to automatically approve Telegram messages and replies. Claude will now open up your global settings files and add the Telegram tools to your allow list automatically. Just hit yes to approve and save the edits. Finally, cancel your current session and restart Claude using the same channels command from earlier. Head back to Telegram, send a message, and boom, instant seamless replies with zero permission prompts. And that's it. You now have your entire codebase and Claude's AI right in your pocket. If this saved you time, drop a like and subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials. Let me know what you're building in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.